Hello, this is Maestro X. I'm going to go over the level 1 word, whereby, for quarter 3, week 5. You should have this card out to look at as I go over it. 2 syllables. The first syllable is where, and the emphasis is on a where, so it's whereby. And it's what we call a relative adverb. Other relative adverbs are like where and when. And what's kind of strange about these kind of adverbs is they act like conjunctions. Sometimes we call them conjunctive adverbs because really they connect. They can connect words or group of words. And whereby can act as a subordinating conjunction. And you know that subordinating conjunctions begin dependent clauses. So we have a definition here, by which or because of which. And how it's used might be better looked at in a sentence, so let's look at the sentence for today. In the novel The Scarlet Letter, Hester Prynne is found guilty of adultery, whereby she is sentenced to wear a red letter A on her dress. Make sure that S is small. There we go. Scarlet Letter is a famous American novel written in 1850 by Nathaniel Hawthorne. And in this novel, Hester Prynne, her husband is away. He's been gone for several years. They don't know where he is or if he's disappeared, but she gets pregnant. And since he's away and everyone knows that, the husband's not the father, they know she has committed adultery. And the setting of this novel is in Puritan New England, and they were very strict about ideas of morality. And so Hester Prynne is found guilty, whereby she is sentenced. So you can see she is sentenced to wear red letter A on her dress. That's a dependent clause, whereby is acting as a subordinating conjunction. Okay, you see it's how that works. And again, with our definition, you can think because of which. So, because she was found guilty of adultery, she had to wear a red letter A. Okay, so it's because of which. Because of this, then this. All right? And so we have a little visual for you visual learners. And there's Hester Prynne. She is sentenced to wear the letter A. At first, she has to wear it and stand on a stand. I have to make her a little bit more pregnant. There we go. And all the villagers come and boo her and hiss her and say, "Who's the father? Who's the father? How dare you bring such bad morality to our town?" And the irony of the story, and you find this out later, is that the father, actually, of this growing baby is actually the local minister. So it's a fascinating story. I recommend you read it someday. Okay, so that is whereby. Again, think of it more as a conjunction than as an adverb and how you use it. You can use it as a subordinating conjunction. It's probably the easiest. A good synonym is through which or by which. And that's why you have several different Spanish translations trying to help you learn this word correctly. Okay? So that is your level 1 word of the day. And if you got this one wrong on your reassessment, please be sure to write original sentence on a new card about you and include a visual. Happy studying!